kids, do you want to see the part 2 of this video unboxing these big 2 sets? So subscribe and turn on the bell button for notification. So let's start our video. So friends, this is the 3 boxes we are going to open. There's a ice cream slime and ice cream monster, and we have a galaxy glitter slime. I'm first opening this ice cream slime. Slime activator. Let me pour this. How to make this will be in the instruction page, so check it out. It's turning into slime. Ice cream, what do you think about it? Look like the picture? It looks like the picture. So I like this ice cream so much, and this start melting. So friends, this kit was so amazing and interesting to play with, and I bought this from Amazon. It only cost 100 rupees. So if you want these interesting videos like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you later in next video. Bye!